So have you ever noticed when you have a big event coming up or you're traveling and you've got to get a whole bunch of stuff done that you're incredibly more productive? Well, I know that happens to me, and I know I'm not the only one out there that happens to, that if you are going out of town on a Saturday and you've got to pack and get everything ready, that everything gets done and you're like, wow, how did I accomplish all that? Well, it's because that was your goal, and the goal had a great outcome, going on vacation. So that premise is what's used on the 12-week year. If you haven't ever heard of the 12-week year, instead of setting 1 year goals, you divide them up to happen every 12 weeks. I love it. I've been using it as a part of my life to accomplish more in less time for the past 3 years. I highly suggest you try this. If you've already set 1 year goals and you're like, well, how the heck could I set 12-week goals? It's just dividing it up into easier pieces. Like, what do we say? If you have to eat an elephant, what are you going to do? One bite at a time. A year to accomplish a goal might feel a little bit like an elephant. So if you divide it up into easier, digestible pieces, you're more likely to accomplish it. The other great thing is, as we know in real estate, it's always changing and it's always evolving. If your goal was something and the market has a huge shift, there's a chance you won't meet those goals and you're going to need to reevaluate them. I suggest you look at your goals every quarter, reevaluate, see what worked, what didn't work, make a change. That's the best way to be successful. If you want some information about the 12-week year, I have some handouts I can email you on how to divide it up, or if you want to have a conversation about it, I'd love to talk to you. Looking forward to hearing from you.